Today I'm going to show you how to create a jiggle animation in Premiere Pro. First, drag any object onto your timeline and set the clip's duration to 200 frames. Move the timeline slider to the start of the clip, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Enable keyframing by clicking the stopwatch icon next to rotation, and set the rotation value to -10 degrees. Now move the timeline slider to the center of the clip and change the rotation value to 10 degrees. Then move the slider to the end of the clip and set the rotation back to -10 degrees. To extend the effect, simply duplicate the clip. For a smoother animation, highlight all keyframes, right-click, select Ease In. And then do the same again but choose Ease Out. And that's it, your jiggle animation is ready.